This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sun and Moon on your Mac. You can enjoy these beloved Nintendo 3DS titles right on your computer. The key is using an emulator called Citra, which allows your Mac to run 3DS games. This offers a fantastic way to revisit the Alola region with improved visuals and various customizable options, making your gameplay experience even better than before. Let's get started with the setup. To begin, you'll need to download the Citra emulator. Head to its official website and select the Mac OS version. You'll typically find two main options, Nightly and Canary builds. The Nightly build is usually more tested and reliable for general use. Once downloaded, extract the files and simply drag the Citra application folder into your Mac's applications folder to complete the installation. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. With Citra installed, the next step is to load your games. You'll need decrypted game files for Pokémon Sun and Moon, as the emulator specifically supports these. Once you have your game files, open Citra and add the folder where they are stored to your game list. After that, take some time to configure your controls. You can map keyboard keys or connect a gamepad, like a PlayStation or Xbox controller, for a more authentic and enjoyable gaming session. To get the best experience, consider optimizing Citra's settings. You can adjust the internal resolution. A higher setting offers sharper graphics, while a lower one can improve performance on less powerful Macs. If you encounter stuttering, try disabling VSync in Citra and managing it via your graphics card's control panel. Also, ensure you close other demanding applications running in the background. These small tweaks can significantly enhance your Pokémon adventure, providing smoother gameplay and improved visual quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.